Hey everybody, Randall here again, and I am going to find out how well my new homemade redneck powder coating booth works. Got my center stand all nice and sandblasted, got all the paint off of it. So this is how this system's going to work. I got this rod in here. I'm going to put this rod through the center stand. And then I'm going to worm it back through here. I think it could be a problem there getting the powder up a little bit, but I don't think so. I think it'll be alright. Now I have my powder coat gun grounded over here on the side. So all I got to do is hook the air up to the powder coat gun. The compressor's all charged and ready to go. And I have enough faith in this system that I am not going to wear a respirator this time so you can hear me better. Okay, I got the fan going in the back. It's on low. Turn the powder coating system on. And let's see what happens. Okay, we're getting charged. Okay. There we go. Starting to get a nice dark coat here. Kind of shake the gun to get the powder stirred up. There we go. And as you can see, it's collecting on the back there on that filter. At least I hope you can see that. It's collecting on the metal now. I'm going to turn the air up on my compressor just a little bit. I think that's what it is. I'm not getting enough air. Okay. Oh yeah, there, that's better. I'm still new here. I'm still learning. I'm going to turn this off until the compressor's done. Okay, now my compressor's done charging. I'm going to see how easy it is to take this rod out. And to turn the whole thing around so I can get this back side. So far so good. Doesn't seem to be too awfully hard. Okay. This whole back side. Get the bottom of these feet good. Okay. I hadn't quite counted on this little problem here on the top, but fortunately there's a hole there on this side for a handle, so I can go ahead and get those bare spots. It's looking pretty dark. And so far I have not gotten any powder at all outside of this box, so this is working really well. Alright, I'm back again. Compressor shut down. Now I'm going to turn this rod again just to make sure that I have coverage everywhere I need it. Push that handle slot out. Alright. Here again, a couple of small spots here, just so I don't miss anything. Okay. I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to inspect the sides. Looks like I got good coverage everywhere. Got a little bit on this crook down here that I've got to cover. So alright. Make sure I get the eye for the spring good. And I may go ahead and shoot this with gloss black or gloss clear overcoat, because this finish is matte black. I could not get gloss black. Alright. Just give it another good going over. Make sure I haven't missed anything. This item, better to have it on nice and thick. on the bottom of the pipe, it's going to get exposed to rain and what have you. Okay. The process of laying the powder coat is done. So I'm going to shut this machine off. And I am going to move some stuff out of the way. And then I'm going to change the camera angle and I'll show you what it's like to bake this. Alright. I'm going to put this center stand in the oven. And this rod is cut the same width as my oven, so hopefully I can just slip it in the holder where the top rack goes. Just like so. That's going to work out really well. Okay? Now, what this will have to do is, this will bake in the oven at 400 degrees. I've got it set at 405, so it'll be a little higher to make up for the thermostat being off just a little bit, which it is. It's about 5 degrees. But now I will come back and I will check that with an IR thermometer. Once this thermometer tells me that metal's up to 400 degrees, then I will set my timer for 20 minutes. After that period, it will come out. And the great thing about powder coating is, it will come out hard. It won't come out soft. And it's almost ready to use right out of the oven. But like I said, depending on what kind of finish I get, I will probably put a gloss clear overcoat on it. So I will be back when this is ready to come out of the oven, or I might check it here real quick just to see what the temp's doing. Okay, it's already up to 289. So it won't take it long to reach 400 degrees. Alright, I'm going to check the metal temperature. That red dot, okay, I'm up to 355. Not quite. Now I don't know if you caught a glimpse of the metal, but the powder coat has already started to flow, and flow means it's turning to a liquid, so it won't be very long. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes or so, so we're going to check the temperature on the metal again. Okay, we're at the magic temperature. So, I'm going to set my kitchen timer. And we're ready to go. Cool. Okay, here it is with about 6 minutes left to go. And as you can see, there's kind of a shine to it. I did it in satin black as opposed to flat black, so this is kind of a semi-gloss. I think that'll work perfectly. While I'm waiting, I'm going to use my vacuum cleaner and kind of clean this filter a little bit. I got a filter that has like a metal skeleton inside of it, just for this purpose. So I clean it several times before the filter is clean. All right, just about to the end here. The timer's about to go off. All right, here we go. Put on my oven mitts. This wire is going to be 400 degrees. This is going to be a hot son of a bitch. And there we go. The finished product. That looks really nice, and it's going to be durable. The finish is going to last a long, long time, and it should never rust. Anyways, one more part done on the bike. Now, as you can see, after the powder coating process, there isn't any mess in that oven whatsoever. So you can use your home oven. They say not to, but well, sometimes necessity says otherwise. Anyways, that's my powder coating booth and the process of powder coating a metal part.